Shiba Inu utterly altered the course of events. My god, this video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or who owns SHIB tokens. What, then, has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? All of this new information about Shiba Inu that has recently surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. This movie is the result of extensive research on my part, therefore you won't want to miss a thing, so keep watching till the very end. Prior to moving on, this channel is now hosting a daily giveaway for 1 million Shiba tokens. Anybody can enter as long as they like the video, comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu and subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best of luck. But first, let's check at the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on October 22nd before we get into our issue, alright? The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 1,780 units. With $377 million in trading activity, Shiba's price is down 1% in the past 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market valuation of more than $10.4 billion. Remember that all. Rates are subject to change at the time of video release. You should not consider this material as financial advice. Alright then, I'll begin today's video. The most important Shiba Inu measure increases by 1,300%. Is the Shiba Inu stock getting ready to surge? Bringing back Shiba Inu. Over the last few months, Shiba Inu's layer-to-blockchain solution has hit a major roadblock. But there has been a clear recovery in the past few days, with key indicators reaching levels seen in early 2024. On October 22nd, the number of daily transactions on the protocol hit around 1.8 million, which is an increase of 1,300% from the previous day. There has been an increase in active accounts as well, reaching over 26,000 yesterday, the highest level in 1 year. With Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is more scalable and transactions are faster, which means more people may use the platform for decentralized apps. As a utility token, SHIB's demand might rise as a result, driving up its price. The protocol's remarkable recovery also has the potential to increase faith in the meme coin project, which might bring in additional funding from investors. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu's market worth has dropped below $11 billion as a result of today's little decline in price. Meanwhile, meme coin continues to perform admirably on a monthly basis, experiencing a 22% increase, plus 2 more positive indicators. Another indicator that SHIB's price can surge soon is Shiba Inu's burning process. The most recent statistics show that over 27 million tokens have been transmitted to a null address due to a burn rate that has increased by about 7,000% in the last 24 hours. The program's goal is to gradually increase the value of the meme currency by applying deflationary pressure to it, while demand remains constant or increases and supply decreases. The SHIB Relative Strength Index, which tracks the rate of change and magnitude of price moves, will be discussed briefly before we wrap up. Readings below 30 on the momentum oscillator, which ranges from 0 to 100, indicate that the asset is oversold and may be a good time to buy. Just above that positive mark, the RSI is currently hovering. Clicking the like button doesn't cost you anything and greatly helps sustain the channel, so if you're still watching, it would be very appreciated. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. Support could be jeopardized due to 142 trillion unburned tokens. The Shiba Inu is about to undergo a major test as it approaches a key support level at 1,800 units. Most important thing is that there are still 142 trillion SHIB tokens that need to be burnt. Despite a little 0.01% gain in the last 24 hours, the token's price stability is jeopardized by this huge unburnt supply. Conflicting information on Shiba Inu owners and major transactions. With a market valuation of $10.82 billion, Shiba Inu continues to defy pessimism. In addition, there is ongoing long-term interest, as 53% of holders are still making money. Data also shows that a significant majority of SHIB investors have demonstrated strong holding behavior by keeping their tokens for more than a year. Nevertheless, significant holders own 73% of the overall supply, which could cause price volatility. Large transactions totaling $306 million were recorded by SHIB during the previous week. A little decrease in the number of members of the Telegram community may imply a decrease in involvement, even though this still shows active trade. With a moderate correlation of 0.58 with Bitcoin, the price of Shiba can potentially be affected by changes in the price of Bitcoin. The meat of today's video is about to begin. In November of 2024, AI determines a new price for Shiba. The Bitcoin market is preparing for any price adjustments now that November has arrived. October has been rather quiet for Shiba Inu, one of the most prominent meme coins, but there have been sporadic price increases. The month of November brings with it market optimism, particularly in regards to the potential price increases of Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at how SHIB could do next month. Shiba Inu, have you any news? Some big changes to the Shiba Inu ecology came in October. As an example, Lucy, SHIB's marketing developer, recently revealed the news of the company's DAO, which caused SHIB to acquire tremendous traction. The SHIB Doggy DAOs are an indication of the growing community support for the project and an attempt to provide the SHIB community with a comprehensive Web3 experience. To make sure the community's decisions are carried out correctly, the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation will legally encircle the DAO, the Doggy Treasury, and other assets will be overseen by it, and it will provide security and transparency by preventing future misallocations. By taking this step, SHIB is showing the world that it isn't a side project, but rather a major player with big plans. Also, thanks to Bitcoin's price surge in October, SHIB saw strong price momentum. The bulk of investors were seen rushing to SHIB and Doge as Bitcoin surpassed the 67,000 level, leading to small price gains for both coins. Furthermore, the development has the potential to affect the price of Shift, giving it significant market momentum as the crowd anticipates Bitcoin's rise to 70,000. The discussion rates of high-leverage speculative meme coins are at an all-time high, reflecting the market's eager anticipation of Bitcoin's imminent $1.70 cap reach. Optimism and Arbitrum, two L2s, are languishing in the background. Speculative coins may continue to inflate for a little more, but looking at the statistics from the past reveals that it's more profitable to go where no one is looking. A projection of the token's value Shiba Inu could see a little price increase in November 2024, as reported by CoinCodex. The token's price might rise 1% to a steady 1,818 units. The current Shiba Inu price projection we have is for a 1.16% increase. November 22, 2024, might see it hit 1,818. The fear and greed index is at 71, and our technical indicators are pointing to a bearish sentiment right now. Over the past 30 days, Shiba Inu prices have fluctuated by 7.44%, with 13 of those days being green. Now is not a good moment to purchase a Shiba Inu, according to the Shiba Inu forecast. However, you shouldn't limit your current investigation to SHIB alone. I made a video not long ago discussing potential new Shiba Inu coins. To learn more, watch the video that is currently displayed. Much obliged for your time.